Look, boys, I'm on a mission to make you look as handsome as possible, and I want to do it instantly. I want it to be like now. And to do so, I'm going to show you 5 tricks that you can add to your daily routine to look better. Let's hop into it. Number 1, I want you to whiten your teeth as you shower. See, this is genius right here. See, every doctor recommends for you to use white strips because they actually work. They'll make your teeth whiter, and you already know white teeth, they're attractive. The hassle is nobody wants to be putting on those strips and keeping them on for 15 minutes every single day. It's a hassle, it takes too much time, and it's uncomfortable. So what I've learned to do is you want to apply the strips right before you step into the shower. You apply the strips, and as you're showering, doing your grooming routine, doing your facial routine, yada, 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 by the time you step out, it's been 10 minutes, you haven't even noticed you have stuff in your mouth because you're focused on your other grooming routines. You remove the white strips, you do this daily or at least once a week, and boom, just like that, without adding any extra hassle or effort, you have a bright white smile that's going to make you look more handsome. Number 2, get your haircuts on Thursdays. Too many dudes are out here rushing on a Friday night to try to get clipped up because they want to go out that night and look good. Not only are you going to have to walk into a crowded barbershop for those extra long wait lines, you're also going to have a cut that's a little too crispy. Now, if you've ever gotten a fade, you already know the fade looks good about 2 to 3 days in. 2 to 3 days in, it starts to look natural. The first day, it looks a little too perfect, a little too pristine. This is why I recommend going on a Thursday. See, you go get your haircuts on Thursdays, not only is your barber's chair probably going to be open and you don't have to wait 2 hours to get a cut, you also, by Friday night, when you do go out, will have that perfect cut. Like it's gonna look natural. It's gonna look good on you. Number 3, groom your eyebrows, but you gotta keep them thick. According to this study, there is a cultural obsession with thick eyebrows. What it revealed is that high facial contrasts, like thick brows, was extremely attractive or found attractive by women. So this is why I've always said you never want to go super thin on your brows or start adding all these weird designs. No. Just keep them tidy. You want to clear the middle area and clean the top. Any extra flyaway hairs that are not within the natural brow shape, you want to take that out. Keep them thick. Keep that nice high contrast. You're going to look good. Number 4, add a feminine touch to your look. It's crazy that in 2021, 2022, we're still talking about the female and male gaze and how it's all screwed up. Now, the interesting part is that in 1983, almost 30 years ago, this study found the exact same thing. Having androgynous features or a mix of feminine and masculine energy is seen as 2 is better than 1 scenario and therefore seen as more attractive. See, too many guys are just overly focused and looking tough, big, muscular, buff, the whole 9. They want to look like the macho man. The problem is that women do appreciate certain feminine features. This is why men like Bad Bunny, Harry Styles, shoot, even Lil Huddy got girls, and they have all this mix between masculine and feminine features. So I'm not going and telling you to go and freaking paint your nails or add eyeliner. You do you. What I am telling you is that don't forget to add that little feminine touch, which could be anything, right? It may be wearing the color pink, or maybe being more in tune with your emotions. That mix of masculine and feminine energy, that's seen attractive. And finally, number 5, I want you to go buy some chunky-soled shoes, and they could be anything. Bro, they are in style. I have been raving about these for the longest, whether they're just basic sneakers, they're dress shoes, or they're boots. Chunky-soled shoes are in right now, and you should be buying yourself a pair. Not only does it make your fits look better because they're in style, it also makes you look better. Bro, instantly, boom, 2 inches onto your height. Who doesn't want an extra 2 inches? You're 6'1", now you're 6'3". You're 5'10", now you're technically 6. See, those chunky-soled boots, they are lifesavers. If you don't have one in your collection, you're already missing out. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to share this video because it helps us out. That's it for me today. See you next time.